Today, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email with a meeting request in Outlook. This is a really useful feature when someone reaches out to you and you want to respond by proposing available meeting times directly from your calendar, making scheduling much more efficient. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to load all your emails. This ensures everything is synced and ready for you to work with. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen. Here you'll see all your incoming messages. Look through and find the specific email you want to reply to with a meeting request. Once you've located it, right-click on that email. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Reply. This opens up the reply composition window where you can craft your response. Now you'll notice a reply composition tab appears on your right side panel. Before we add the meeting request, click on Pop Out located in the top right corner of this composition window. Popping out the email gives you access to the full set of email tools and makes it easier to work with additional features like calendar inserts. Once the reply window has expanded, direct your attention to the top part of your screen and click on Insert. This tab contains all the tools you need to add various elements to your email. From the Insert menu, click on Calendar. This is the key feature that allows you to share your availability directly within your email reply. A window titled Send Calendar via Email will appear. This is where you configure exactly what calendar information you want to share with the recipient. First, click on the Date Range drop-down menu and select the date coverage that works for your schedule. This could be a single day, a week, or whatever time frame is relevant for the meeting you're proposing. Next, check the calendar details you wish to share. You can choose to include specific information like appointments, free and busy times, or other relevant details. Take a moment to review these settings to ensure you're sharing the appropriate level of information. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click on OK. You'll immediately see the calendar added to your email body, and it will also appear as an attachment to your email reply. This gives the recipient both a visual overview and a file they can reference. Now all that's left to do is click on Send, and your reply with the meeting request will be on its way. You've now successfully replied to an email with a meeting request in Outlook, making it easy for the recipient to see your availability and schedule accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.